this ain't the right car for the job. So yeah, that is right. We are taking Leons E92 M3 on the track. Not the bag Fabio, because that would be death. I'm so keen. We've got a 4-hour drive, so we're gonna crack on and we'll see you guys there. We are heading up to Donington Park racetrack circuit in Leons E92 M3. Now this is one of the fastest tracks in the country and it is absolutely sensational. Oh my God. We have arrived. Right, so we've probably been driving for about 4.5 hours all the way up to near Donington racetrack, because that is where we are going. We have rented out an Airbnb. We're going to give you guys a very, very quick tour. Front door, shoe area, upstairs. We'll go through here. Now this place is mental. It's actually flipping huge. It's very weird because there's like nothing in here. Then, so yeah, we've got this massive kitchen, which is sick. Laptop, bit of editing tonight. And then yeah, you got like this dining room, which is cool. Goes into this main living room. There's just a lot of like very random, like pointless rooms. This whole place is like completely unfurnished. There's nothing in any room. So if we go upstairs, Leon's in this room. And we've got Aaron in here. Don't know where he's actually gone. Hello?
Hello there.
Oh, it stinks in here, mate. Oh, you've left skids and all. Oh, mate. It is the morning. It is early. And we are on the way to the track. Had a lovely night's sleep in my freezing bedroom. Baltic conditions. But we made it through the night. We're all good, so we'll catch you guys at the track.
Leon's just going to have a look.
What is that, Aaron, mate?
That's a cut of Allen key.
We've made it to Donington. Now this place is mental. It's proper race car vibes. We're in the pits at the minute. Everyone's loaded up into the paddocks, into the pits. We've got number 18. I would have just shouldn't have cleared. Leon's just dropped the shutter. The boys are just checking over the cars because obviously they're about to go through hill and back. So just checking it all out. And before we know it, we're on track. Leon is on the mods. I was saying about his bulb ballast went out. Yeah, he's doing it in the pits before we're even on track, so look at him go. No messing about around here. Mate.
There's one more underneath I need to get.
You have to swap your headlight out with Fiesta every time we showed up at the track. I didn't realise it was a track with every colour you did.
This is our problem.
No problem. No problem.
Just a little problem you got there, mate.
Where's it coming out?
It's all coming out. It's coming out there, yeah.
Oh dear. That's not balanced. It's probably for the water there.
Oh, it's literally pouring out, mate.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That'll be right. It doesn't work.
That'll be the problem, mate, I reckon.
So now what I'm gonna do?
I should have water in it.
Leon has come up with a great idea because obviously he needs to dry his headlight out to get her going. So, whack it on the engine, mate. Run her up, get her nice and warm. Job good, un, mate.
Oh no, it didn't even fucking stick.
Oh no.
Fuck no, we're getting a bit brutal in here.
Hopefully, with a bit of luck, that is going to seal up Leon's headlight and there'll be no more water. You might actually have a working headlight, which is probably quite good when you're on a rainy track.
Brad at that time, didn't he?
Yeah, true actually.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
New ballast is in. We're going to give her a test, hopefully.
I'm not very hopeful to be honest.
You're not?
No.
What do you reckon? Oh, it's all water damage inside. Oh, it flashed. Yeah, she's on, mate. Hell yeah. What's going on here, mate?
Nothing to worry about. Legal purposes, we're going to stop filming.
It's that time. How are we feeling?
Shit, a little bit of poo coming out, sure.
I'm very much feeling the same. We are deep in the sauce right now, people. We are deep in the sauce. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Oh, he's sideways. He's sideways. He's sideways. So, we've done lap one, first outing, and there's a problem. We have a problem, and it's a fairly big problem. So we need to check the brakes and maybe the front wheels on the M3. What are we doing and what's happened?
So basically, when I had to put the tyres on these wheels, the balancing machine broke. So I know that there's quite an unbalance about 80 miles an hour. We're constantly going past 80 miles an hour. And when you're under the brakes and you've got that vibration going on, it is
Savage.
horrible.
It is savage.
In the video,
Like,
the wheel.
yeah, in the video, the wheel literally going everywhere. You can feel it all through the front end.
So
So
I wanted to leave these PS5s on because they're a bit better in the wet, but at the moment the grip seems okay. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to put the PS4S's on with the standard wheels because I know that they're balanced perfectly, and we'll see if that sorts our issue out. If it doesn't, we know we've got a braking
a
issue.
big
but-
problemo, but it's worth
I don't know
ruling
why-
one thing out at a time. But it's
Yeah.
really weird because it wouldn't. If it were me and I'd say it's a wheel balancing issue, it wouldn't just be on the braking, would it? It would be
No.
you go at a high speed
But
and it's
it's
going to
got
start wobbling.
genuine discs, good as it has never done that before.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I do
yeah.
think it is. I do think it is the balancing. So
Let's get these wheels swapped over and we'll get back out there. Now this was a serious problem. Leon's brakes had a severe judder under heavy braking over 80 miles an hour. Like you said, on this track, you're constantly going up and over 80 miles an hour. And with this sort of braking issue, it's genuinely unsafe to be on track. So we really, really needed to get this sorted. Now with the front wheel swapped over and hopefully the braking issue all sorted, we both went out to see if we can set a hot lap. Right, me and Leon's been smashing laps all day. We've done a few laps this morning, but I think we're going to try and get a hot lap in now. We're going to try and beat the time. Word on the street is that Leon...
Not timing, obviously.
We're not timing,
it's
obviously.
Just gets in your bum, you can feel it in your bum.
You can feel it in your bum, and in his bum from the last lap, we reckon it was around a 135.
135.4, I think it felt like that.
135.4.
We're not timing, are
But we don't time things. But anyway, we're going to beat that, so let's get it.
Aaron? Oh, Aaron. My bum is feeling like that.
My bum is feeling good right now. Come in from that lap and my bum felt a 133.7 in the wet. Can't really complain about that. Can't really complain. Pav, what are we saying?
It just feels great, doesn't it? I mean, it's a wet day. Track's
Wet
greasy.
day.
We're on Pirate's got 4 S2s and they're holding on.
They're holding on, mate.
Front end feels great. Car feels good.
Basically, it's sick. Buy an E92 M3.
Yeah, basically that.
Basically that. The day is done. What a day we've had with the boys. Now it's time for a 4-hour drive. Oh my god, what a day I had with Leon. It was so sick. Getting taken out in track in an M3 was mental. And Aaron in the Clio as well absolutely tore up the track. If you guys did like this video, please, please, please smash that subscribe button. We've just ticked over to 1,500 subscribers, so we're really building something up here, and I really appreciate it. So if you did enjoy this video, please like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.